Resort on the Lake is a 149 lot bare land RV resort. Hi, and welcome to 2124 Nimpkish Lake Way. This property is at Resort on the Lake. I think you're gonna love what we have to offer. This is a very unique opportunity to own in a strata lot. So this is not a manufactured home park. There is no pad fees here. You pay a very reasonable strata fee, which includes a ton of stuff. What I love about this complex is we are walking distance to Westwood Lake. And if you know anything about Westwood Lake, it's one of the #1 swimming areas in all of Nanaimo. It also has access to an incredible amount of outdoor exploring. I'm talking trails, mountains, everything. You could explore the wilderness for days right outside of your doorstep here. The other important feature is we have year-round living here. So you're not committed to only being here 3 months of the year, 6 months of the year. You can live here year-round. The current owner has upgraded this lot with fantastic drainage, weed coating throughout, so essentially a zero maintenance yard. You're gonna love the raised garden beds and the storage shed. The newer mobile that's included with this property is nicely finished with 3 sliders, a ton of storage, beautifully finished interior, propane fireplace with propane cooking. This is a really comfortable interior that really complements this lot nicely. Got great exposure to the sun. We've upgraded the unit with some great fencing, which gives you a ton of privacy. And you've got a lot of parking for your vehicles. Strata fee includes the large clubhouse. It has lounges, a kitchen, games room, exercise room, poker room, laundry and bathroom facilities, and a seasonal pool and hot tub. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.